Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday and happy Friday freebie. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's quite fun. Right, so snowy day today. Yes, snow day. Oops. Stuck at home with Jay. Happy days. Crafting day. Happy days. Right, today I'm going to show you today's Friday's freebie and how to make this super cute pillow box. Keep watching guys and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back to the desk. It's been a very interesting couple of days. So today I am off work and Jay is off work too because it's snowing really bad. So it started to snow yesterday about morning, and I was at work and I was like, oh please get me home. And then it has been snowing all through the night and it's still snowing now. So I'll show you a video of my back garden from the craft room. So both Mia and Jamie are at home today, which is really nice. So that means crafty day for me. I said to Jamie, we have lunch together, but then I'll be spending all day up here in the craft room, just craft away. So before I show you today's freebie, which is this one, this is part of my romantic paints kit that I showed you. We've done a video on Wednesday when we made some embellishments, and this is what is the leftover, because I put every product, I got a big box that put all the projects I made and I leave it there, and then I send that for happy mails. So this is what was left over on my desk, but the embellishment with the charms, going back to the video, I will put the link of the video at the end so you can guys go and check it out. But before I show you the freebie, let me show you the kit that this has been designed from. It is part of the mini kit, so it's 4 pages. You get 4 of this beautiful design. They are, well, this kit is called Romantic Paints. I'll let you guess why. I created this lovely floral pattern. I don't really know what you can see on the background, but when you print it off, like I can see it in flesh, you got a canvas texture on the background, and then I play with some paints and created these this lovely flowers. So that's one of the background. So as I said, you get 4 pages. One is this, the second page, and that played with the tones of grey, blues. I really like this burgundy, so I'm trying to stay with this color palette. This one is one of my favorite. It's got some brushes, so this looks like flowers. And then I played with some blues and greens on a canvas background texture. Hope you can see through the camera. I'm really hoping so. And then the third page, of course, is some tags. So you just need to fuss cut them and decorate them. I left it quite plain because I wanted you guys to create your own tags. Use this as a base and layer them up. So they are 5 the same size and 2 are slightly wider and taller. Okay, so those 2 are bigger than those 5. Last is a gift box, which I'm going to make up for you in just a minute, and I'll show you what it looks like. I really like it. I'm obsessed with milk cartons boxes, and that's why there are quite a lot. In a lot of kits I included a gift box with something that you guys have requested, so there you go. I know a lot of you have bought that kit, so thank you so much guys for your support, and the emails that you sent me are amazing. Honestly, it really put big smiles, and this is what I love about what I do, creating kit, put it on the website, and you guys buy them and use them, and you say, oh, I made this, or I made this, and I made this. And I can see when you share the your projects, even on my Facebook group, I actually think, right, I've not thought of that. So sometimes when I design things on my own way, and then you guys do these things in a very different way, and it is so fascinating how creative mind sometimes things are very different. I love it, absolutely love it, because it's all about exchange of ideas, and that is the whole point of me having a channel. Right, so going on shut up. One thing I didn't do on the videos on Wednesday when I was showcasing your kit, I mentioned that I will build the pillow box. Now normally I put a peg, but the peg is on the other side of the room. But this is what the milk carton looks like when it's built up. I love milk cartons. I printed off on a very heavy cardstock, but if you don't do that, you can print it on simply copy paper and glue them into cardstock. And then I used today's butterflies, which was this one, I guess. Yeah, it's that one, to put it on top of the milk carton box. Sorry, I can't speak English at the minute. So yeah, so that's the size. So let me tell you finishing sizes. So that's 2.5 by 2.5 by 1.5. So it's like a square, as you can see. It's like a cube with this bit here. So in centimeters is 6.5 by 6.5 by 4, and then you get a little bit there, which is, I think is it's a centimeter. And then the butterfly collapsed. To be fair, I didn't put glue. I put some double side tape purely because I always use the brushes when I use the glue, because I prefer, because I can feel how I'm applying the glue. So for this I use some double side tape because of laziness. But I then put some flowers in there. So that's the box. So today's the freebie is this one. So of course I use the same papers, but I created this pillow box for you guys, so you can just download them, print them off, and you got a pillow box for life with this fabulous floral design. I love it. So you get 4 butterflies, all 4 different sizes, and then you got these 4 embellishments. I think they're called bobbins. Do you know when this is a very vintage thing. In the old days, when you were going to the haberdashery shop, you would buy thread or ribbons or cottons or wools wrapped in that piece of cardstock. I think it's called bobbin. I'm sure it is, but if not, you know what I mean. So that's what it's there for. So it's just a little decoration. So for the magical YouTube, ta-da, the pillow box takes shape. So and what I did, I just put the 2 butterflies one on top of another, so created this little nice 3D effect. And that's the pillow box. So it opens like that. So, and yeah, I love it. You can put, that's amazing for like Mother's Day, because for us Mother's Day is next weekend, but even for like birthday, or you can put jewelry box or food. You can put like chocolates, you can put some craft bits, you can do anything. It's a really nice pillow box. So the finishing measuring is 4 by 3 in centimeters, is 10 by 7. Okay, so it's a really nice, I mean, I got big hands, it's the same size as my hand, so it's a really nice big pillow box. Okay, so how do you get these pillow boxes? In 2 ways. So you can either subscribe to my newsletter. I send 1 email every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. Don't worry guys, I got no intention to spam anybody, because I haven't got the time, or even don't want to spam you guys, because nobody deserves to be spammed. So the newsletter gets sent out every Friday 9 p.m. consistently. So once you join the software, you just get this email, and then you don't have to even think about it because it's on your email. So then what you do, you just download it. Or 2, if you go into my Facebook group, I will put all the links down below. You're going to join my Facebook groups, and then every Friday I put the freebie there in a PDF, so you can simply click on files and download it. And on Facebook you can find all the previous freebies for previous weeks as well, so they're all there together. So if you're on Facebook, why not? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, because when you do that, you tell me YouTube that you like what I made, and YouTube push my videos out, so it really helps the growth of my channel. Thank you so much for doing that, and thank you for subscribing if you're new here. Don't forget guys to check out my Wednesday video, where you can see all the integrity of the video. I will put the link somewhere here on the screen, somewhere. You just need to click, if you watch on the iPhone or iPad, click on the link that you see on the screen and I will take you straight back to the video. Have a wonderful weekend. I am going to hopefully have an haircut tomorrow because we should be having an haircut today, but of course there is no public transport open and working, so we are stuck at home all day. So hopefully I'll be able to go tomorrow and make myself a bit prettier. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.